This is my review of the unboxing of the BN Link 7-day digital wall timer. This is a wall timer to replace the traditional light switch to be able to put your lights on a timer. You could set it from dawn to dusk and things like that, and it comes with a plate here to go around it. So I've hooked these up before in the past, and I just needed to pick up a new one of these for some outdoor lights we just changed, and we'll just open it up and you can see what it looks like in here. But it just shows you the instructions here on the side. Let's open it up and see what's inside here. So this is just like a traditional light switch here. Comes with all the, it's got the 5 wires right here: red, black, white, blue, and green. It's labeled very nicely. The ends are really good here. And then it comes with the plate right here. So this is going to replace, it's going to fit right inside here, as opposed to like the traditional light switch that's very small. So they give you everything you need to do to convert this over. And then they give you the instructions here. And then they give you all of the wiring caps and the screws and things like that. So this is basically an all-in-one kit to get you switched over. And then you're just going to open it up right here. You're going to switch everything up to change it how you want to set the lights up here. But I've used other brands in the past. BN Link is a great brand. They do a really good job in these. And we operate a high-volume property management business, so it's very important that we have outdoor lights on and off when they're supposed to. And this is just a trusted brand for us. We've been using these for a while and very pleased with it. So again, it's the BN Link 7-day digital wall timer. Highly recommend picking these up.